everyone, welcome back to another episode. In today's video, I'm going to be doing this rainbow artistic look using acrylic. So I'm just starting off by placing the acrylic all over the nail. The color that I'm using today is from Glam and Glits. It's from the Color Blend collection and it's the color Dark Ivory. So I really like working with the Color Blend collection because I find that the colors blend very well, and I also love the variety of nude shades that they offer, so really love this product. So now what I'm doing is just covering the full nail with acrylics, and I'm not doing a certain method or trying to use a certain amount of beads to fill the nails. I'm just simply trying to fill the nails as neatly as possible, and I'm doing that through a ton of beads and simply taking my time. So I'd rather just add 100 beads to the nails to create a seamless finish than having to do all of this extra filing at the end. So the sculpting part of nails is very intriguing to me. It's also calming, and I find that I just want to conquer acrylics. So I'm okay with playing with more beads just so that I can get the understanding of the process. So with that being said, if you haven't already noticed, I'm definitely a beginner and self-taught. So obviously my techniques may not be the correct way to do this, but hey, it works for me. Now I will say that I'm definitely a lot better at understanding the product than I was before. So I'm definitely looking forward to practicing more and getting better. So as you see, I've skipped the middle finger because I want to do like an ombre effect on that nail. So in order to do the ombre effect, you kind of have to do things a little backwards, but I am just filling all of the rest of the nails with that base color. And once I'm finished with that, I'll go back to the ring finger and tackle that ombre look. So now I'm going in with the flash neon yellow color from Mia's Secrets, and I'm using that as the color for my ombre. I'm just grabbing a bead and placing it on the nail tip and blending it inwards, and I'm applying as much as I need to make sure that I get the proper base for the ombre. I'll tell you this, I'm not really good at doing an ombre with acrylic. It's definitely been a challenge for me, so I'm really hoping that this goes right. I'm having a little trouble. Yeah, I'm struggling, but I am going to get this right. So right now I'm just taking that cover color in Dark Ivory and I'm putting that on the nail bed, and then I'm blending that upward. And so far it looks like the ombre is working for me. Like, what do you all think? There's still some things that I can do to make it better, which you see me doing, and I'm gonna work it out until I get that perfect look that I'm looking for, like that seamless finish. I'm just gonna place one more bead on the tip and just like lightly fan that towards that cover color, and I think I did a good job with this. I mean, what do you all think? Really loving that. So now I'm going in with my clear Mia's Secrets acrylic, and I'm placing that all over the nails, and basically what that does is it protects the actual design that you have on the nails so that when it's time to file, you're not filing off the design, whether you're filing off that acrylic. And it's also going to make sure that those nails are as hard and as sturdy as possible. So now I'm going in with my Shop and Stampy plate, and I'm going to use the nose and lips design to place over the nail. So I'm taking my Born Pretty stamping polish in the color Red Forever, and then I'm placing that design on the ring finger. Now I'm going in with the solid white painting nail polish to create a triangular French tip on my baby finger, and I'm also using that color on the thumb to create an asymmetrical French tip. As you can see, I'm going back in to clean everything up because I do make mistakes. I'm not perfect, and I want to make sure that you know that if you make a mistake, it's okay. You can go back in and clean it up, and then I'm going to cure that for 10 seconds. Now that the nails are flash cured, I'm going in with the Gelish foundation coat, and then I'm putting that on top of that white base coat because I want to make sure that when I put the pigment on top, there is enough sticky power to hold that pigment. And please let me apologize for the fogginess of this video. I didn't notice that the video wasn't focusing, so just bear with me. That's what I'm doing. So now I have the remaining 5 colors of the Mia Secret Neon color kit, and I'm just placing all of those colors on the thumb as well as the baby finger, and I'm kind of going from lightest to darkest to make sure that you have like a smooth rainbow transition. So once the colors are fully applied, I'm going to go back in and cure them for another 30 seconds. Now I'm taking the Gelish foundation coat and I am applying that all over the pointer finger, and I will do this so that I can create a rainbow effect on the full nails. So I flash cured there for 10 seconds, and now I'm going in with those pigments again, and I'm just adding them over the nail, starting off with the darkest to the lightest, and then I'm wiping off the excess pigment and putting that back under the lamp to cure for 30 seconds. So I'm just finishing this look off by top coating all of the nails, and I really hope that you like what I was able to create today. Now, if you all like this video, don't forget to press that thumbs up button. And if you are watching this video and you are not subscribed, take a moment to press that subscribe button. And then while you're at it, if you're feeling froggy, press that alert bell so that you can be alerted every time I post a new video. And I hope to see you all in my next video. Enjoy the final shots. Bye.